Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will show you the way how to get your deleted photo back into your iPhone in a quick way. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your photo library. So here let's try to delete the picture first. I think I will delete this one by go click the picture and go click delete and confirm that we want to delete this picture. And now we just need to go back. You will see like in the down part here there will be like 4 sections, so you just need to visit the albums. And these albums you just need to like scrolling down until you found the utilities, and in this utilities there will be a recently deleted, so you just need to go click it and make sure that your face is facing the home screen. And now you have an access into your recently deleted, and if you found the picture that you want to get them back, you just need to go click it and go click recover. Confirm that you want to recover the photo, and let's check either it's already disappeared from this folder. And let's go back into the library, and you'll see here we get them back. So that's the way guys how to get your deleted photo back into your phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.